Coach Tegat Davis, this team show a lot of grit and fight to really eke out these 3 points here. How pleased are you to grab these 3 points first?
I'm really pleased because we play against a well-coached, organized team, you know, in terms of Cavaliers. You know, these guys know when to go, when to go back. You know, I think we planned it out the right way. You know, see behind the ball and try to catch him when you can catch him. You know, build a bit of ball position. And, you know, it was unfortunately we went on 1-0. So I think foolishly, but that is football.
Coach, can you talk about in terms of obviously that second half? You know, there was a little bit of a struggle in the first half. Where do you see that sort of momentum change for you? What did you say in the locker room to be able to get themselves?
Well, it wasn't what we said in the locker room. It's a change that we made. You know, when we took out Fabian and Oslan, we brought in the two young kids. I mean, and they brought life to the game, more attacking, more you know, more dynamic to the, you know, kind of build the players, the momentum going on.
In terms of those early in the season, that early injection, does that give you positive thoughts regarding in terms of
no, definitely no.
Again,
definitely no. We got like 620 players. We didn't get much players, so we like with the team them. So what we do, try to work with our under 20 players, them, you know. And if you can get them game by game, and get a feel of this Premier League, but they're good players. I think we can go really far.
That decision putting Ajuma Johnson in the number 10 position this season, what really struck that ignite that fire in doing that?
In the pre-season, he looked well, but in a sense, we told him that push come to shove, he has to go back to his
left fullback.
Yeah. So we have an understanding as coach and players, you know.
Mm-hmm. How much of a critical season is this? Because obviously with 2 seasons of no relegation, this is a
critical season. I told my team guys that this is a team year that is relegation. So every team gonna come, you know, hard, you know. See a lot of teams, a lot of shopping and all those things, build up their team. So it's gonna be a nice season. And I think we're you know, by game, we're ready for the task, you know.
In terms of the way that you grinded out this win, what does that say about, I guess, the identity that you've seen this week?
It's good, you know, against a Cavaliers team, as I said before, you know, well organized, and they beat us last season, the first game of the season. So this will be a good game, and this will be something we sit and, you know, from a week and say we want this game to kind of take that jinx off the team.
And Coach Mitchell getting the winner for you on his debut. You must be happy with what you got from him.
I'm happy with the goal, you know. I'm happy with the goal that he scored. I think I need more from him. He has a lot in him. He needs to come out, you know. But again, he gave us a win, and I'm happy for that.
All right, Coach.
That's all, Coach.